Picture this. You're heading to work, stuck in a sea of red brake lights, wondering, why is traffic always so bad? And then it hits you. We just need to build more roads. If there's more space, traffic will disappear, right? But what if I told you that building more roads actually makes traffic worse? Welcome to the strange and counterintuitive world of induced demand, a concept that's been known for decades, but is often ignored in urban planning, which will really make sense once you understand why. Here's how it usually goes. A city builds a 4-lane road. Over time, it gets congested, so they expand it to 6 lanes. For a few glorious months, traffic flew smoothly, but soon, the road fills up again. Frustrated, they widen it to 8 lanes, then 12. Then bam! Traffic jam. Why does this happen? The answer lies in induced demand. Induced demand is the phenomenon where increasing the supply of something, like road space, makes people want to use it more. Imagine this. You're in a suburb, and driving to the city is slow because of traffic. Some people decide to take the bus, bike, or even avoid the trip altogether. Now, the city widens the road. Suddenly, driving becomes faster. And people who avoided driving before started hopping in their cars. Over time, traffic grows until the road is just as clogged as before, but now with more cars. This isn't just a theory, obviously. Real-world examples like the Katy Freeway in Houston, which is infamous for being expanded to a whopping 26 lanes. These examples show that even the widest highways can't escape traffic. Building more roads encourages more driving. It also fuels urban sprawl, with people moving further away from city centers because driving seems easier. Businesses relocate to areas with new highways, and before you know it, the demand for those roads explodes. And it's not just about new drivers. Existing drivers take more trips or shift their travel to peak hours, adding even more congestion. But here's the fascinating part. Induced demand works in reverse too. Reduce road capacity and people adapt by choosing alternative modes of transport. They take public transit, carpool, or even bike. Cities like Amsterdam and Copenhagen have proven this by shifting their focus from cars to bikes and public transit. As a result, they've reduced traffic, pollution, and the stress of commuting. Public transit is the real game changer. A subway line can move tens of thousands of people per hour, compared to just a few thousand on a highway. And the best part, when transit ridership grows, service often gets better. More frequent trains, better infrastructure, and faster commutes. Contrast that with roads. The more cars there are, the worse driving becomes. Building more roads doesn't just fail to solve traffic, it actively harms cities. It leads to more pollution, noise, and sprawl, while eating up valuable land that could be used for parks, housing, or transit. Instead of asking, how do we widen this road? We should ask, how do we move people more efficiently? So next time you're stuck in traffic, remember, building more roads isn't the answer. The shocking truth is that induced demand guarantees they'll just fill up again. The real solution? Invested in public transit, bike lanes, and walkable neighborhoods. Let's stop paving over our cities and start building places where we don't need to drive at all. If you found this video insightful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how traffic impacts your daily life. Thanks for watching, and let's keep rethinking transportation together.